Alright people, here we go. I'm gonna get some to review for the second old house. Now first of all, this is the front door inside. I mean right behind. Now this closet for the front door. Now the living room. And then one of my dad and even my brother just took away for the couch. You know, throw this away outside of the garbage strip. So the garbage bin, but I forgot this one. But trash only. This couch, but anyway. So moving on to this TV, and Tracy is on here, but nice and quiet. And this is the kitchen, and on top of the fan of ceiling, and you know, just well it. Now this upstairs kitchen for first. Now when we get to the basement before, I'm gonna slow down. So let's go upstairs. And I want to show you this bathroom for number one. And this is the shower for those glass doors. And then don't have any bathtub. With the windows on. And you know about this for the sinks and the storages, drawers. And you can rack it around. You can hang it on the bathroom door. Now, only the reason why for my dad and my brothers just came to this bedroom, the mattress I took away for it. And the bunk bed, I just sleep all the way top for this. I just remember when I was a kid, you know, with my brother. And I don't have another bedroom, but I just substitute to use for this parents' bedroom. My mom and dad used to sleep here. And this drawers I took away, and the desk too. Air conditioners. Alright guys, let's go downstairs in the basement. But again, I'm gonna walk slow down because I don't want to bother to Tracy. Alright, here we go. Now, do you see the basement everywhere? Now, you make sure you already remember for the new basement that was before the old one. Since like 1994, mid-1994. And you know about this basement, I was always got white stuff with those gas. You know, the gas ran over, it's got blues over here. And the kitchen. You know, second kitchen in the basement. And then, you know, when my mom's sewing machine is already took away, is already moving to Staten Island. You know, the sliding closet and then the fridge, what do you call this one? But another air conditioners. So, anyway. In its pictures you usually know about. So let's back up. And like I said before, I live in 3 houses. One in my aunt's house, and one for this in Brooklyn, and Staten Island too. And that's all we got here. And let me just do it step by step one more time. I'm almost going to say goodbye to my old second house. So, like I said guys, I just want to live in 3 houses. Just like that. And if you have interested about reviewing the tour for this house inside, let me know in the comments below. Share video after this video. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell to get notification about new videos and the latest video. So, I'm almost ready to move into Staten Island, so still in the constructions. And clean up, and then we're going to take it back. So as always, I'll talk to you guys later.